You will be receiving the 4 products that I mentioned today. This helps to unclog pores, it helps to remove pesky dead skin cells. This is such an easy but great way to use the serum for extra calming and brightening effect. Look at this, oh my gosh. It creates these thick, voluptuous, sexy bubbles. We're on my soul, sisters. Let me hear ya float, sister. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your sister, EuniUnni in the house today, and I'm so happy to see you guys. Today, I'm gonna be talking about some of the products that has helped me with brightening care and also with hydration / exfoliation care. And that has been very important for me because oh my goodness, these days it's getting so hot, and because it's summer, there's a lot of pesky dead skin cells going on, you know what I'm saying? And I am facing more breakouts, and so hydration / exfoliation effect has been very important for me, and I do have some amazing products for brightening care as well. And today I will be talking about 4 products from Jumiso, and also we're gonna be having a giveaway. We're gonna be giving away these 4 products to 10 of our unicorns, and this is a sponsored video by Jumiso, so keep that in mind. And thank you so much, Jumiso, for collaborating with me and partnering up with me to, you know, do this. Thank you so much. Anyways, so I first got to know about Jumiso because of their sheet masks. I know that a lot of people really love their sheet masks. They have really different kinds and variety of them, and I'm sure that you have at least tried one product from Jumiso as well. So the name of the brand Jumiso comes from putting a smile on your face. Miso means smile in Korean. And I love that they have like a really cute brand mascot named EuniUnni. She's actually Jumiso's co-founder's puppy, and they have an Instagram account that they use to communicate with their customers. And EuniUnni always appears in the packagings as well, which is super cute. So let's move on to the very first product. Now, these 2 products are from the vitamin line, and I'm gonna be talking about the serum first because this was my absolute favorite. This is Jumiso's all-day vitamin brightening and balancing facial serum. As you can see, I've used more than half of this product. This is a really good brightening serum that you can really see a good brightening effect with. The best part is that it contains 86.14% of vitamin tree extracts, which is also known as hippoflavanoids or sea buckthorn. So you've probably heard of these 3 before. They are the same ingredients, and they are so amazing for brightening your uneven skin tone, making sure that you have a healthier and brighter complexion, and this helps to remove dead skin cells gently at the same time. And just the best part of it is that it is super gentle. So even for myself, as you guys know, I have super sensitive skin. I use this about 3 to 4 times a week, and it is completely okay. It doesn't make my skin irritated nor sensitive. And since it does use vitamin tree as a main ingredient, you don't have to worry about the serum changing colors on you or becoming oxidized. Now, it has a very light texture, it's non-sticky finish, and it's okay for all skin types, as I mentioned, and even for oily skin type. Yes, so because it is a vitamin C serum, I do want to recommend that you do start with a small amount and then work your way up. So this is recommended for those of you that want to use a very gentle serum and you gradually want to see the results. And this does contain Centella asiatica as well, which is one of my favorite ingredients. So I find that this is very calming and soothing at the same time. And I do want to share this tip that I have been doing really often these days. It's called the 5-second brightening cream mask tip, and I think you guys are gonna love it if you do suffer from dual skin. This is such an easy but great way to use the serum for extra calming and brightening effect. Mix a gentle hydrating cream with 2 pumps of the serum. Then put on your skin and wait for about 4 to 5 minutes as a cream mask. After all you need to do is just soak in the rest of the goodness in, or use a cotton pad with some toner, wipe away the leftovers lightly. Make sure you don't do it too harshly, but just for the ones that are left over on top of your skin. All right, so we're gonna move on to the next product, and this one is a cleanser from Jumiso. It's called All Day Vitamin Clean and Mild Facial Cleanser, and I've been actually using this for my face and my body. The best part about this cleanser is the brightening effect. Even if you use it once, you do see a brighter complexion. So as you guys know, I've switched to another cleanser, and I've only been using that one cleanser from that brand. However, when I do want to see a little bit more of a brightening effect starting from my cleansing step, I do add this in. This low pH daily cleanser focuses on anti-inflammatory effects and antibacterial actions. So I do really highly want to recommend it if you are suffering from concerns of breakouts these days. And it does contain, as I mentioned before, the main ingredient is also vitamin tree, which is also known as the hippofavir extracts. And this is really great for that brightening effect. It also contains salicylic acid, which is a great ingredient if you continuously use a small amount of it. This can be very good for blackheads as well. The only con that I do have with this cleanser is that the scent is pretty strong. It has a really good citrusy, like fresh scent that feels really nice, especially, during this hot, humid weather. So every time I do smell it, it does smell good. But I find that the smell is a little bit stronger than the other products that I normally use. So I did look it up and I did check to see if it's an artificial scent, and it's not. They don't have any artificial coloring nor scents in here. You can use this cleanser with your hands, but I love using it with the foam maker. This foams up really nicely without the foam maker, but if you do use the foam maker, look at this, oh my gosh, it creates these thick, voluptuous, sexy bubbles, and I put it on my skin like this for about 1 to 2 minutes. And then I rinse it off. And with just one use, as I mentioned before, you'll be able to see a more clear and brighter complexion. Alright, so now we're gonna go on with these two products that I personally really liked for gentle exfoliation / hydration. Now, this is a toner, and this is called, yes, I Am Toner. That's a cute name, right? And it does contain 5% of AHA. So if you are looking for a toner with an exfoliation effect, this is a great choice for you. For me personally, I use this as an exfoliator, so I won't use this every single day, but I will add this into my routine about 3 to 4 times a week. The main ingredients are 3% glycolic acid and then 2% lactic acid. Both of them are a type of AHA, and it also has pentanol, which is a really good ingredient for calming and soothing effects. It has a super watery texture, it's really fresh, and it's really light. You can use this every single day, but for those of you with sensitive skin types like myself, I do want to recommend that you use about 2 to 3 times a week and then maybe work your way up. And the how-to is super simple. You can use it with your hands, you can use it with a cotton pad, it's up to you, whatever floats your boat. I personally love making my DIY pore care pads with this toner. All you need is some cotton pads and this toner. And then I cut a small slit right there because I want to make sure that the cotton pads stick to the curves of my nose as well. And then all you need to do is soak the cotton pads with toner, and then you're done. This helps to unclog pores, it helps to remove pesky dead skin cells, and sometimes when you don't want to use this toner all over your face, but you do want to get rid of the, dead skin cells around the T-zone and the pesky areas, this is a great tip. Alright guys, so I'm gonna move on to the last product, and this will also be in your giveaway. This is the Have a Good Cream, Snail and Centella. It has 2 of my favorite ingredients, Centella asiatica, and it also has snail slimes. And snail slimes have really great skin benefits. It's great for hydration, great to remove hyperpigmentation or acne scars as well, but it's gentle too. So this is also something that if you continuously use it, you will gradually see really great effects overall with so many different skin concerns that you might have. And it's a really gentle cream that I feel like all skin types or all skin conditions can definitely use. This cream is highly recommended for those of you that have always been looking for like deep hydration, but was always left like unsatisfied with the products that you've tried before. And maybe you even experience more of excessive sebum. I think this cream is great because it focuses on giving you the right amount of the balance of moisture and oil at the same time. And it's not too light, it's not too heavy. It's just a really good texture for all seasons, but for the summertime as well. And the cream just glides on really easily. And I think I can proudly say that this is my second favorite product from Jumiso. Yes, the first one is the Serum. That one's really good. All right, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. And now I'm going to be talking about the giveaway. You will be receiving the 4 products that I mentioned today, plus, and this is just a fun item that Jumiso has made for their fans so they can collect it. And I will leave all the information, details, and the rules in the description below. So please do check it out. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and EuniUnni will see you in the next one. Bye-bye!